Today, students, still on radioactivity and half-life. You already know what radioactivity is. That is the spontaneous decay of what a radioactive nuclei. That is an unstable nuclei, giving out work radiations. Radiation in form of what? Can be in form of alpha, beta, or gamma. I'll still go to that, and also releasing of what energy can be fusion and fission. We'll get to that point. So today I'll be discussing on what decay constant. What is decay constant? Decay constant of a radioactive atom is the instantaneous rate of decay per unit atom of the radioactive element. Now we are looking at per unit atom. Are you getting me? That element could be made up of a lot of atoms. Are you getting me? So the instantaneous rate of decay per unit atom. So it's looking at what? The emphasis on per unit atom of that what? Radioactive what? Element. Are you getting me? So now the instantaneous rate of decay. Let me use here. Instantaneous rate of decay, the n over the t, proportional to what? The original number of what? Element, n naught. So removing our proportionality symbol, the n over the t will give us what? And that. This negative sign shows that this disintegrating is reducing, it's not increasing. That's why I am bringing in what? This negative sign. Now, how are we going to get it? What can we do here? Can we remove this differentiation symbol? Let's cross multiply and see what we have. The n cross multiply equals minus lambda n naught dt. So, okay, let the n be one side. Let's divide both sides by what? N naught. Divide both sides by n naught, give us what? D n over what? N naught equals to what? Minus lambda what? Dt. Please follow me. Minus lambda dt. At this junction, this is same as 1 over n naught, the n, equals to minus lambda dt. To remove the differentiation symbol, we integrate both sides. And integrating 1 over n naught will give what? Ln n. The n. In n naught. So we are looking at when n naught, the final rate is n, the initial it was what? N naught. Minus lambda differentiate this. Before when you differentiate it, integrate dt, give us t. Now the final is at time. Before it starts disintegrating, time was what? 0. So at this junction, this is same as what? Ln n division is minus ln what? N naught equals to, this is still 0. So this is just minus lambda t minus 0. T minus 0 should give you what? T. This, our log, this is log. Negative symbol means what? Division. This is seen as ln what? N over what? N naught equals to what? Minus lambda what? T. The opposite of lane is what? Exponential. So like getting for exponential on both sides, give us n over what? N naught equals to exponential minus lambda t. So making what? Final number of atoms, sorry, formula, we have n naught exponential minus what? Lambda what? T. This t, when t equals our half-life, When T equals half-life, half-life, remember half-life is the time taken for a radioactive element to disintegrate into what? Two equal halves. If you have issue understanding that half-life, you can go back to my what last teaching before those last exam exercises. I fully explain what half-life is. So the time taken for what? N naught. When n naught divides into 2, it gives what? N. Let's assume n naught divided into 2 gives us n. When n divided into 2 gives us what? N. At that point, we can say that what? N naught over 2, since this can take hold of this, so n naught over 2 equals to this. Since this is this, that means this also is this. It's equals to what? N naught exponential minus lambda what? T. N naught cancel N naught. Will give us what? 1 over 2 equals to exponential minus lambda what? T. At this junction, we try to remove the exponential symbol. And remember, opposite of exponential is what? Ln. So we get the ln of both sides. So ln of what? 1 over 2. Ln of this will give us minus exponential minus lambda t. Because ln will cancel exponential symbol. So now this is same thing as what? Ln 2, ln 1 minus ln 2 equals to minus lambda what? T. Ln 1 is 0. Ln of 1 is 0. So now have only what? Minus ln 2 equals to minus lambda what? T. Remember this T is what? Half-life. Half-life. So dividing both sides by negative give us ln 2 equals to lambda half-life. So our lambda, which is decay constant, is ln 2 over what? Over half-life. And ln 2 is what? 0.693 over what? Half-life. And vice versa. That means half-life. That means half-life equals to ln 2 over decay constant. Half-life 0.693 over what? Decay constant. For this lesson, for this video, I will stop here. Please take your time. Take note of this. And take note of what? This and this. Please take note of those things. Physics is a very simple subject. Just calm yourself down. You are really good in physics. All you need is in you. And please, if you haven't subscribed, you have seen that a lot is happening in this channel. Invite your friends, invite your loved one, subscribe so anytime I drop videos, you'll be notified. Like the page, and if you have a question, feel free. Type the question in the comment section. You can get my email, you can message me. I promise I will definitely, if not immediately, but definitely I'll respond to your questions. Thank you. Have a nice time. Please go through this video again. Make sure you understand every solving. Every solving. With time I will handle differentiation and what? Integration. Thank you.